One of the best things about journeys is just the overview of everyone who has been into a journey or been through a process or a workflow. So here I can see a list of everyone who has been in this process, in this request for equipment. I can scroll to the site and see all the information that we have about this request, anything that was filled out at any part of the process. If I want to see more columns here, usually you will only see these basic columns like the created date, the process. But if you want to see more information here, you can just click here, show and hide fields, and then you can select what do you want to see. So let's say, like for example, in this journey, there is a form for the manager where they approve or decline the request. So here I can toggle on and off whether to see this is the request approved in this in the overview table. So you can always add more columns here, and then I can see here on the side which columns are displayed in this table, and then I can see here. So now I just added this column for whether this request is approved. You can also add new columns if you want to type in some information. Just think of it like an Excel spreadsheet. Do I want to write some comments? Maybe just internal comment or from HR or something, and then I can just add it here. Here is a comment. So if you want to have something like this in your overview table, just like you would do in an Excel spreadsheet in case you need it. You can also export this table. So you just click export and it exports it in a CSV. So you can open it in Excel, put it in somewhere else. Or you can do some analytics on it or whatever you want to do with the data. You can also use filters. So on this table, so if you filter, for example, I'm going to use some action fields to figure out if the request was approved, and I only want to look at the requests that were approved, or maybe I just want to review the ones that were not approved. So here I can see these two are the ones that have been approved. You can also use the filters just to look at the ones who haven't completed the process and sort them by the created date to figure out the people who are late in the process or not following the process and so on. And lastly, it's also easy for you to click the columns, sort by them here, move them or hide them. You can also just drag and drop between here.